Yeah. Dang it, Everett Suzuki's. Wow, Everett Suzuki. Look at Everett ride the 85. I got sold my 85. Oh my god, this kid. Come on, Everett. Kill me?
Dude, this thing got real close to you.
Yeah, it hit me. It hit my boot. The tire hit me. He hit me. He hit me. I was going and he came up out of side. I was going.
After I have it, I tried to go. I thought I went like this, but all I did is this. And go like this, and I went right at you.
Yeah. I was gonna take a walker lap because I didn't know if there was any water or anything. But then you just boom. I was like, what?
That hill that's over there.
Yeah, I saw you. They got sketchy.
Yeah, it's like the hill's cool, but the side we need to take the shovel and flatten it out.
Yeah, I jumped it.
Hello.
You wanna let me ride it?
that go. You hit both of these.
Yeah, I saw that.
And you go bow, 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 bow. Yeah, the bike's okay because you can move it, but I ain't got no room.
Well, I don't go to the side. I jump it. So, can I ride that?
World of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities.
What gear do you have it in?
I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.